For those of you that want to make money on Bybit simply by trading cryptocurrency, this is a must video to watch, so stick around. So for the aspect of this video, we are going to be using the strategy called Bybit derivative, whereby you speculate on the direction of any cryptocurrency at all. Provided your prediction comes out to be correct, you are definitely going to get rewarded. Let me show you all of that in few simple steps. So first off, I had already picked a particular cryptocurrency. In this case, I'm going to be using virtual USDT to either speculate this virtual to go up or down. Okay, provided I speculate the right way, I'm going to be making money. If it goes the opposite way, that is when the losses is usually incurred. So let me show you how to do it practically in a demonstrative way. So now, after picking the cryptocurrency, you will need to change your margin to isolated. This will enable you to be accountable of any USDT you'll be using to do all of this. Isolated is very important. And also set your leverage to any amount. In my case, I'm going to be using 10x leverage because I'm using a small capital. With a small capital, I can borrow a whole lot to either go short or go long. So, and I'm on market order. This will enable me to get in quickly without having to wait any much longer. So after then, I will use this chart now to analyze the direction that this cryptocurrency is most likely going to be going to, so we can take a trade. So now let me zoom out real quick. This is what the chart looks like. So let me make a very quick analysis here and show you which direction we are going to take. Let me delete all of this real quick and zoom out. I'm going to be heading to the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, we also had a whole lot going on. Let me quickly draw in some lines and show you what to expect in this. So obviously, this is what we are having now. We have what we call a falling wedge. But if you should look closely, let me show you something. Inside that pattern we have drawn, look at what is happening inside that pattern. We have what we call a rising wedge inside that pattern. So with that following information, it is primed to go down because of the inner pattern that says shorts. The inner pattern already signifies the shorts, which is a rising wedge. And rising wedge, it will be very hard for rising wedge to quickly go on along. So I am pretty convinced that it is primed to go down. So now the short is activated. We will probably go on a short and we are taking profit on the trend line. As simple as that. So stick around to find out what is going to happen. So after a couple of minutes, the trade eventually went towards our initial predicted direction, and right now we are in some profits. So that's the power of analyzing the market using chart pattern. It is very powerful. So now my aim is to take about 19 to 20% back home from this. So imagine making this money consistently, daily, over time. You would have already stand a chance to grow your initial small capital to a big amount. And this trade was sent to the premium student signal group as well. I quickly have to send it on there to show them how it all play out. So if you're interested in knowing how to get access to this premium signal group and learn as well along the line, send a DM to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is going to be in the description below precisely. So I had to quickly close out at about 20 to 19% or thereabouts, which will resulted in some big gains. So that's how it all works. Hopefully you've learned something from this. If you had, hit the like button, subscribe, so that you not get to miss videos like this when it gets uploaded. In the meantime, that'll be all for now. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.